The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off. Hey, bad bitches wanna be my babe. Hey, hunt me down like the CIA. Hey, side of my car trying to see my face. Hey, want me to beat it like the TIKs. Oh, hey, like this heat ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just the
Hey Curlfriends, what's up? It's your girl CurlyBae and I'm back with you again with another video. Now if this is your first time coming to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be part of the CurlFriend family too, and you'll be able to know whenever we have new videos firsthand. Now if you're a returning Curlfriend, welcome back. Make sure you go ahead and have a party down in my comment box because you know I love it so much. You guys see I switch it up, I switches it up. A type 4 hair girl, you know, we got some struggles. Sometimes our hair want to cooperate and sometimes it don't. So this is just a quick, easy style. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner. It doesn't matter how long your hair is or how thick it is. Trust me, even with my thick hair, I struggled a little bit. I struggled just a little bit. But I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little confident. This video is not sponsored, but I want to just go ahead and talk about a little product right now. It's the Shake and Go Freetress Braid 101. This is what I used on my hair. I got it from the beauty supply store. The sign said $1.99, but I'm damn sure when I looked on this thing, it says $2.49. So I'm a little pissed about that. But it's okay because it definitely did the job. I should have used more. This style, you can either wear it down or you can rock it in a pony or like in a bun or whatever. I actually followed... Damn it, I forgot her name, but it's gonna be down in the comment box if I can find it. Something about peace. Oh my gosh, it's gonna drive me crazy now, but it'll be down in the description box. Hopefully you guys read my description box because I have a lot of good information in there for you. So this is too much talking. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with stretched hair. Now it's not required, but I do find it easier to style and a lot more sleek. Now guys, please forgive me because my video became a little bit blurry. That's because I'm blind. But I'm just going to go ahead and brush up my hair with some gel and get it nice and sleek for you guys. Once I get it nice and sleek, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. Now if you have thick hair like I do, you may want to go ahead and just double up on your hair ties. You're going to go ahead and wrap it around twice. On the second wrap, you're going to put it in a nice little, neat little bun. And once you have the hair all tucked away, you're going to work on, that's right, the edges. Damn it. See, now I see that it's blurry. But then we're going to go ahead and take the hair. And I'm actually going to use 3 pieces. So that's a pack and a half of hair. Then I'm going to take my regular ponytail and just do a little slip knot, a little tie, just so that I can attach it to my bun. So you're going to attach it to the side that you do not want the braid. And then you're going to go ahead and start braiding very loosely all the way down, I want to say 3/4 to the end. I'm pretty bad at math. So yeah, so you're just going to kind of get a little bit to where you have a little slackness so it can be nice and jumbo. And then you're going to take a little rubber band and tie it to the end. So I'm just going to show you that right there. I don't tie it all the way and rubber band it. Now this is the easy part. You're going to flip it over and just tuck your bun on the inside of that piece. So you just make sure that there's none of your hair actually showing. Ta-da! Nice and cute, right? So you're still going to go ahead and separate it. So that's why it didn't really matter if your braid was a little messy. And then this is what I'm going to go ahead and show you. The little trick. I have an extra piece that I braided on my own. And I'm just going to take a hairpin, put that through, and kind of use it to stick down, hold down my other hairpiece and wrap it around so it looks nice and neat. And then just making sure that there's nothing else sticking out. I want to make sure that it's looking neat, and I'm just going to take more hairpins and secure it. Now here's my favorite part. That's right, Loc Jewelry. And I'm just going to decorate my braid however I want to. And I just really love this style. It is so cute. Then I'm going to take a Loc Jewelry and actually hide that rubber band too, because you know it's all tacky. And here's the finished look. I love this look so much. It is too cute. Now excuse me while I go ahead and be extra. Now guys, if you really like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, because you know it will help me out so much. And the products used in the video will be in the description box below, as well as my inspiration. And if you do decide to try this style, make sure you go ahead and tag me on Instagram at I am CurlyBae, or you can use the hashtag CurlyBae inspired, and I'll go ahead and feature you on my blog or my Facebook page, or even my Instagram story, because I love you so much. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are CurlyBae. Besos!